3 go.
Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are enjoying your GK class. Okay. So, today once again we are here for our GK class. So, I think all of you are ready with your GK books. Okay, children. Now, this time we will do our lesson number 2. That is nature. Under that chapter, we will do 2 topics. First is water is precious and second is sky high. Okay? Water, you are very much aware of the water. Yes, children? Okay, I am giving you the time to take out your books and open page number 7. Page number 7. See, children, this is the chapter Water is Precious. It is in page number 7. Okay? Now, I will show you some clips from where do we get the water. All of you know that water is very important for us. We can't live without water. We, plants, animal, all human beings can't live without water. So we all need water. And what is the main source of water? Yes, rain is the main source of water. In this chapter, we will learn about different sources of water and what are the uses of water. 2 topics we will take in this chapter. First, from where do we get the water? And second one is, what are the uses of water? Where do we use the water? Okay, children, before coming to the book, I want to show you some clips of the sources of water. So, children, have a look and I think you will enjoy those clips. Now, children, we will read the chapter. Water is precious. It is in page number 7. I think you all are ready with your pencils. Okay. Now read with me. Water is essential for life. All animals and plants need water. Name these sources of water. So, children, these are the different sources of water. We have to name these sources of water and write their names in the boxes given over here. For this, the clue box is also given here. From there, you will write the correct spelling and fill the blanks given over here. So, see the first picture. Which source of water is this? I will give you the hint. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a well of water. Yes, this is well. So you will write well over here. Write down the spelling of well. W-E-L-L. Write it here. The spelling is given over here. W-E-L-L. Write it in first blank. W-E-L-L. Come to second one. This one is, which source of water is this? Yes, this is pond. This is pond. What is the spelling of pond? You can see from the clue box. P-O-N-D, pond. So write down P-O-N-D, pond in second box. Hope you all are doing with me. Okay, children. Now come to third one. Look, the water is flowing from the mountain and it is coming down. Which source of water is this? Yes, this is a long source of water, very lengthy. Yes, this is a river. What is this? This is a river. Spelling of river is R-I-V-E Write it in box number 3. R-I-V-E-R. River. Okay, children. Now come to number 4. See, all the rivers come and collect here. Can you name the source of water? Yes, this is a big sea. This is a big sea. S-E-A. Write down the spelling. S-E-A in number 4. Now, I know all of you are aware of this. This is the main source of water from where we get the water. This is the main source of water. Yes, rain. Write down. In number 5, R-A-I-N, rain. So children, these all are the pictures of the different sources of water from we get the water. And what do we use for what we use the water? We use water for different things that we are going to do in the next part. Okay, I am giving you the time to write down the names. Then we will go with the next one. Okay, children, do the work. Now, children, you can see here I have written the spellings, and you can check whether you have written correct word in the correct blank or not. In number 1, you have to write well. Number 2, pond. Then river. Number 4, sea. And number 5, rain. So, we have done with the sources of water. From where do we get the water? Now, I will show you some clips where you can see the uses of water. For where do we use the water? Water is used for different purposes. So, in this picture, in these images, you will see the uses of water, where we use the water. So, see the clips. Children, I think you have enjoyed the picture. In those pictures, you have seen the uses of water, where we use the water. So here the pictures are given related to the uses of water, and you have to write down what the person is doing, what the person is using the water for. Just like first, this girl, what the girl is doing with the water? She is drinking water. So in first blank, you will write drinking. Water is used for drinking. Write down the spelling of drinking. The spelling is D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. Okay. Now see the second picture. Look what Mama is doing here. Mama is cooking food. The water is used for cooking. So write down the spelling of cooking here. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. Okay, children. Now come to picture number 3. Look what this child is doing. What he is doing? The water is there in the bucket, and in the mug he is pouring the water on his head. What the boy is doing? Yes, he is bathing. He is bathing. Okay. So, write down the spelling of bathing over here. B-A-T-H-I-N-G. Bathing. It means water is used for bathing also. Now, the last picture. What the girl is doing? Clothes are there, soap is there, detergent is there. What she is doing? She is washing clothes. We should wear neat and clean clothes. Yes, we should always wear neat and clean clothes. For that, we have to wash our clothes. So, water is used for washing clothes. So, write down washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing. Children, I am writing this on the board so you can check the spellings from here. Now children, hope you all have written the spellings. You can check the spellings from here. In the first blank you will write drinking. The girl was drinking the water. So write down drinking. The spelling of drinking is D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. In number 2, what the mother was doing? She was cooking food. So in number 2, write down cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. In number 3, what the boy was doing with water? He was bathing. So write down the spelling of bathing. That is B-A-T-H-I-N-G. And in the last picture, what the girl was doing? She was washing clothes. So spelling of washing is W-A-S-H-I-N-G. So children, these are all the uses of water, where we use the water. Apart from this, we use water for different purposes also. Okay, like we water the plants, animal need water, we also need water. It is used for bathing animals also. Okay, and it is used for washing utensils also. And one thing I want to ask, what is the main source of water? Yes, rain is the main source of water. Hope you all are doing with me. Now we will come with the offbeat and the brain gym of this chapter. Okay children, now see the offbeat and the brain gym. Okay children, now we will coming with offbeat and brain gym. Read with me. Water covers more than half of the earth's surface. What does it mean? It means our earth is covered with water. And what portion of the water is there? More than half portion of the water is covered. Earth is covered with water. Like half is earth. More than the half part of the earth is covered with water. Okay children? Now come to the brain gym. What is the solid form of water? Yes children, when the summer season comes and you need to put something in your water to make it chilled, and mama take out something from the fridge and the cubes are there in the freezer. What is that? Ice. So ice is the solid form of water. Write down the spelling of ice over here. I-C-E. Again I am saying, what is the solid form? Solid means hard form of the water. Water is in liquid. Okay. So what is the solid form of the water? That is ice. So you will write ice over here. The spelling of ice is I-C-E. Ice. Okay children. Hope you are enjoying this chapter. Water is precious. Now you all are aware with the sources of water and the uses of water. Okay children. So if before going to the next topic, I am giving you the time to complete this work. Okay, and do your work neatly. Okay children, hope you have done page number 7. What is precious? Okay, now turn the pages of your book and come to page number 42. Sky high. Look, this is the page. The name of the topic is Sky High. What is sky high children? Yes, sky high, sky is very high. All of we are aware of this. Under this chapter, we will study about the things which are very up in the sky. Like sun, moon, stars, rainbow, clouds. All these things we see in the sky. these things are also called heavenly bodies. What they are called? Heavenly bodies, because they are very up in the sky, they are up in the heaven. So these bodies are also called heavenly bodies. I will show you the clips, I will show you the pictures of some heavenly bodies like sun, moon, rainbow and others. Okay, hope you will enjoy those pictures. And one thing, before showing the picture, I want to show you, sun is a big ball of fire and moon do not have its definite shape. We can't say ki moon is round. We can say sun is round, but we can't say moon is round. Why? Because every day moon changes its shape. Sometimes you see a big moon, full moon in the sky. Sometimes you don't see the moon, and sometimes you see a very small face of moon. So moon changes its faces. So I am showing you the clips of some heavenly bodies. Look at the picture and enjoy it. Okay, children? Now children, take out your book, page number 42. The name of the topic is Sky High. Sky High, the things which are up in the sky. So we will see these pictures and we will fill the blanks related to this picture. For this, the clue box is given at the bottom of the page. You can see the words given over here. We have to select the word from here and we have to fill these blanks. Now, today we will do about only 3 pictures. These 3, and the bottom 2 pictures we will do in the next class. Come to the first picture. This is, what is this? I am the sun. Write down sun in the first blank. I give you light and heat. I rise in the east. Where does the sun rises? Sun rises in the east. So write down east. E-A-S-T, east. I sit in the west. W-E-S-T, west. So what is this? This is a sun. It gives us heat and light. It rises in the east and it sets in the west. Okay, again, this is a sun. It gives us heat and light. It rises in the east and sets in the west. Written, children? Now come to the second picture. Can you see what is this? What is this in this picture? I am the, it comes at night, moon. Yes. What is the spelling of moon? M-O-O-N, moon. I am the moon. I change my shape every day. I have showed you this in the clips also. I have showed different faces of the moon. Moon, every day the moon changes its shape. So it is written here, I change my shape every day. I move around the earth. The moon moves around the earth. Sun is the main heavenly body. All the planets, there are many planets. You will learn about all this in the higher classes. Sun, there are 8 solar system and all the solar planets moves around the sun. But moon is a satellite. It moves around the earth. Okay, moon is a satellite and it moves around the earth. And earth moves around the sun. When you will come to the higher classes, you will know about this. Okay, now come to the third and the last topic of today's class. Can you see? Very beautiful line, curved line, arrow line here. Yes, All of you are aware of this, and it comes after the rain. Now, read with me. I can be seen after rain. I look very beautiful. I am the rainbow. Yes, I know many of you have already filled the blank. What is the spelling of rainbow? Write down rain first, R-A-I-N, rain, and then B-O-W. Okay, children, tell me one thing. How many colors a rainbow has? Yes, 7 colors. 7 colors? Yes. So, 3 heavenly bodies we have done: sun, moon and rainbow. Fill this blank, learn about these things, and in the next class we will do about below. This is cloud and these are the stars. We will do about this in the next class. Hope you all are enjoying the class, studying well and doing your work. Isn't it? Okay, children, revise whatever is done today and before also. Okay? Someday I will ask you the questions. I will not take any class. I will just ask you the questions. So, side by side, do the learning work also. Okay? Bye-bye. Enjoy your class. Bye.